Right, let us now solve the third bit of first problem. Again, we have two equations here, and when you look at these two equations, you can see here 3x and here 9x. So if you multiply with 3 to this equation 1, then you have an option to eliminate x term. So that is what let us do. So we are going to multiply equation 1 with 3, so that we will get 9x minus 15y is equals to 12. Now let us assume this as equation 3, and from this equation third let us subtract this equation 2. So first let us take equation 3 and then let us take equation 2, and when you are subtracting you have to change the symbols. Okay, so we have done changing symbols. Now when you change the symbols, 9x minus 9x gets cancelled, so we have eliminated x term, and finally we are left with y term. So 15 minus 15 plus 2y will give you minus 13, y is equals to 5. From this you can get y is equals to minus 5 by 13, and let us substitute this y is equals to minus 5 by 13 in equation 1. So that is what we are going to do. Once you substitute this value in equation 1, you will get x is equals to 9 by 3. So we got x is equals to 9 by 3 and y is equals to minus 5 by 13 are the solutions of given pair of linear equations.